Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are talking about the most popular and gorgeous beautiful Bollywood actress Aishwarya Rai. So today I edit her song and the song name is Kajra and I did this video with 4K 60 FPS in vertical frame and I covering all the angle of Aishwarya Rai in this video. So, Kajrare is an iconic Bollywood song that has left an indelible mark on the industry. Released in 2005 as a part of the film Bunty or Bubbly, the song features Amitabh Bachchan, Abhishek Bachchan, and Aishwarya Rai, and its impact is still felt today. The song composition crafted by the renowned trio Shankar Ehsaan Loy is a perfect blend of traditional and modern element. Gulzar poetic lyrics add depth and emotion to the song, making it a standout track in the film. The song's unique blend of folk, classical, and contemporary music make it a masterpiece of the Bollywood music. Interestingly, Yash Raj film initially considered Kajrare the weakest link in the film soundtrack. Ehsan Noorani, one third of the Shankar Ehsan Loy trio, recalled that the song ranked lowest in initial evaluations. However, the song success can prove the sometimes the most uniquely track become the brightest hit. Amitabh Bachchan speaks teams about the song is also well documented. He was hesitant to participate in the song, even suggesting it not be shoot. However, director Shad Ali convinced him to give it a try, and Amitabh Bachchan participating in the song added to its appeal. Kajrare became a massive hit, topping chart and receiving widespread acclaim. The song catchy tune, memorable lyrics, and stunning visual made it an instant classic. The song impact on popular culture is evident in its continued presence in Bollywood and beyond. The song cultural significance extends beyond its popularity. It represents the blend of traditional and modern elements that resonate with audience. The song influence can be seen in its continued presence in popular culture with reference and parodies still emerging. The song featuring stunning Amitabh Bachchan performance, Abhishek Bachchan and Aishwarya Rai. Sizzling performance combined with Abhishek Bachchan, cool swagger and Amitabh Bachchan timeless screen presence made the song an instant classic. The chemistry between the lead actor is undeniable and their performance added to the song appeal. Kajrare remains a beloved song with its popularity enduring even years after its release. The song's timeless appeal can be attributed to its catchy tune, memorable lyrics, and stunning visual. The song's influence on pop culture is undeniable and it continues to inspire new generations of music lovers. The song's legacy is a testament to the power of music and dance in Bollywood films. It represents a moment in time when music, dance, and cinema came together, create something truly special. Kajrare is a timeless masterpiece that continues to captivate audience with its catchy tune, Memorable lyrics and stunning visual, the song's impact on popular culture is undeniable and it remains a beloved track in Bollywood history. With its enduring popularity and influence on pop culture, Kajrare is a song that will continue to be celebrated for years to come. The song timeless appeal can be attributed to its catchy tune, memorable lyrics, and stunning visual. The song's blend of traditional and modern element combined with its catchy melody makes it a testament that will continue to be celebrated the generation to come. Kajarare is a cultural phenomenon that continues to resonate with audience today. Song appeal blend of traditional and modern element combined with its catchy tune and memorable lyrics made it an instant classic, and the song's impact on popular culture is evident in its continued presence in Bollywood and beyond. The song influence on pop culture is undeniable. It has been referenced and parodied in various forms of media, and its impact can be seen in many aspects of popular culture. The song's legacy is a testament to the power of music and dance in Bollywood film, and it remained beloved track in Bollywood history. The song's enduring popularity is a testament to its timeless appeal. Despite being released many years ago, the song remains a beloved track in Bollywood history. Its catchy tune, memorable lyrics, and stunning visual make it a song that will continue to be celebrated for years to come. In conclusion, Kajrare is a timeless masterpiece that continue to captivate, memorable lyrics and stunning visual. The song impact on popular culture is undeniable and it remained a beloved track in both Bollywood history. With its enduring popularity, influence, and pop culture, Kajrare is a song that will continue to be celebrated for years to come. The song visual feature stunning choreography showcasing the lead actor's skill and chemistry. The dance sequence is well choreographed, adding to the song appeal and making it a soundtrack in the song film appeal. The song's success can be attributed to the talented individual involved in its production, including Shankar Ehsaan Loy, Gulzar Amitabh Bachchan, and Abhishek Bachchan and Aishwarya Rai. Overall, is a song that promises to entertain and engage audience with its catchy tune and memorable lyrics and stunning visual. Whether you are a fan of Bollywood music or just a lover of good music, Kajrare is a song that is I recommend to watch. So guys, if you are enjoying this video, so please like the video and subscribe my channel.